This one is huge. This one is a lot, man. Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back in St. Elizabeth at Miss Pat. Remember that lady that we did the mango, I call it the mango walk tour? Well, I'm back at her place. Today, it's not about mangoes though, it's about peanuts. She actually farms peanuts. She's a peanut farmer. And despite losing her husband, she continues to do it and do well at it. She's gonna take me on the farm. I'm gonna take you along with me. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, people like her. I call it the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So, if not yet done, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. So guys, this is the little peanut farm here. A little overgrown with weeds now, but it's harvest time, so you expect that. No more chemical, nothing else is going into it. This is a peanut plant. For those of you who have never seen it before, this is what it looks like. Right? We're at the farm of Miss Pat, and that is Miss Pat. Miss Pat, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Mr. Gill.
Good to be back here again.
Yes.
All right, but just before guys, Miss Pat and I go way back. I think we said earlier 6 years.
About that.
About 6 years,
Yeah.
approximately 6 years, and it's a bittersweet story because when we first came here on a mango trip to one of her neighbor's house, we actually met she and her husband right on the road here, right here. We actually took them up, gave them a drive to take them home, or took them home, and you know, the rest is history. We became friends. As you know, we had a couple other videos that we did. We did 2 mango videos with Miss Pat and her son, and grandson CJ. CJ. So it would have been nice to have, what's his name again? Roy.
Yeah.
Roy, right? Roy. It would have been nice to have him here, but he's not here. But that's how it is. But we're going to talk about peanut farming. That's what she's doing now. That is her
Main source of income.
main source of income. Yes, that is her main source of income right now, and she's doing it for the most part by herself, with some help from. You get help from anybody, Miss?
Yeah. People in the community.
Community, but you have to reach out to them and ask them to help and so. But I want to salute you for what you're doing, for the courage, for the dedication, and still holding up, you know, despite your loss, you know. So anyway, you're gonna teach the rest of us here, Miss Pat, a little about what you do on your peanut farm. So this is a fully grown, mature peanut. Right, this is what they look like. There's several of them here, guys. Several of them. Right, that's the plant and that's the root, and the peanut is under there, under the bottom here. You're gonna see that. You're gonna see that soon. But I'm gonna pick Miss Pat's brain a little bit and ask us to back up a little bit and tell us about the sowing or the planting process. Yes. How do you plant it? How do you plant the peanut, Miss? How do you plant it first? You use the seed.
Yeah,
right?
First you have to prepare the land first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then you have the tractor plow the land.
Mm-hmm.
You shell the peanut and you broadcast it. You scatter it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then the tractor cover it.
You scatter it and it's to cover it again.
Yeah.
And then you leave it for
About 5 to 7 days, then it starts to germinate. All what they say.
germinate, and I mean it come out, and then what happens?
Yeah, it grows out of the ground.
Uh-huh. And then how do you take care of it?
Okay, you take care of it by about 3 to 4 weeks. When you start put on the blossom, so you start to take care of it by spraying with chemical to keep off the worm or fungus off it.
And then you have a challenge with water here. By the way, guys, we are in southeast St. Elizabeth, up in the hills, and just before I forget, there's the mango video that we did. We have been here, as I mentioned earlier, we've been here a number of times, and we did 2 videos already. Links in the description below. Very fun where we did the mango with Miss Pat and her grandson CJ in there. Take a look at that. All right. But yes, so you leave after it germinates, it comes out. You spray it.
About 4 weeks or so, you start to spray it with the chemical. make sure that no worm on it or no blight or no fungus on the leaves or so.
So yeah, it takes some care and nurture.
You have to, yeah.
Yes, yes. And then after, how long does it take to mature?
12 weeks. Yeah.
12 weeks, 3 months, and your peanut is ready.
Yeah.
And how do you know it's? Oh, so it's 12 weeks. But how do you actually check the calendar or?
But you don't have to check calendar. You can look at the plants. Yeah. You see the brown spots on it.
Brown spots. Okay, so
means,
they're like these now. These brown spots mean they're ready.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. So we're gonna show them. So show my viewers now, Miss.
Okay.
Take your time and pull it. So this is a peanut plant. We're gonna pull it for the see that? So the peanut comes out. This one plant now comes out with a whole bunch. Let's go now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13.
13, and typically, so that's a typical, that's atypical of what it would look like. So, but you can have as much as?
Up to 50, 60, 70 per, depends on the peanut plant, it depends on the tree.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
Depends on the tree and the plant. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is another fruitful one. You would say this is quite productive then, right?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now 15.
Yeah. So this you would say is quite productive,
Yeah,
right?
I would say that.
Okay. All right. Very good. And after you pull it, then what's next?
I break off the nuts, the pod off the tree, like this. You break them off like this. I put it in a container, then we put it in a bag and take it home. And then we put it on the tarpaulin, spread the tarpaulin on the ground, and you spread it out on it and let it dry.
For how long?
Like now when I saw this hot, about 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days.
Yeah.
And it's ready. No, and then we back in my country, in my neck of the woods, we call it shelling, meaning we warm the pots like for pimento certainly. For pimento, we shell the pimento off the thing.
Yeah.
But you open the pods as well, or you just sell it like that?
Sell it like this.
Oh, you don't open it?
No.
Oh.
Only if a person asks to shell it, we take it to the machine. You have a machine that do the shelling.
Okay.
And you break
Okay,
it.
so all right, so you were just showing us. So all right, so break another one to show my viewers. All right, so but these look quite healthy, miss.
Yeah.
All right, let me take a picture. these quite healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have situations where you have bad peanut?
Yeah, somewhat blight, like these small ones. These are blighted. You won't get anything today. There's nothing in it.
Oh.
These are blighted.
So that's a loss.
Yeah.
All right, there's one thing I want to point out to you guys. All right, this is interesting. This here is interesting. I did some research on my own before I came here, and I think this is new to Miss Pat as well. She didn't even realize. But the peanut here is a very interesting plant because unlike others, when it blooms, and I'm gonna see if I find a bloom to show you. Let's see if I find a bloom to show you here. Can't seem to find a bloom here. You see anyone blooming, Miss Pat?
No, see one.
All right. We're gonna find a bloom. Oh, there's another patch next door. Across here. I'm gonna bring you there and show you one. Right. But interestingly, this is actually the bloom, the flower that comes up. So turn it over, Miss Pat, for me. Yeah. So the flower that comes up when it comes up, right? The flower that blooms is what bends like this, go back down into the earth, and form the peanut. Now, I bet that's the first time you're knowing this. I want to hear from you. Let me know, guys. This is new to Miss Pat as well. But that is what I learned. It's a flower, interesting, that blooms, that was hanging up, like turning up, turn down, and go back into the ground to form the peanut as we have it. Amazing. All right, so this is it, and this is your patch here. How big is this, Miss?
About an acre.
About an acre, and we give thanks because it's harvest time, and you were able to wait and see that, and see it come to fruition to harvest, and now you're able to harvest it. And this here, guys, is another patch of peanuts. This is a little bit younger, meaning not quite mature yet, but this is what it looks like growing, maturing, getting ready for harvest. And yes, what you're seeing in the background there is mangoes. Those are some stringy mangoes. There's a mango tree just overhead here that just about finished for the season. So yes, lots of mangoes on the ground here falling into the field. But yes, this is it. This is the crop from the Breadbasket Parish of St. Elizabeth. All right, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. Now, this is what I learned, and I need you, if you know otherwise, please let us know in the comments below. But this is what I wanted to show you. This is a peanut plant, right? And then these are the flowers, right? You see these yellow, orangey color thingy? Those are the flowers. And then what happens, I am told, is that these flowers, they actually, after a while, they turn down opposite, go back into the ground, and that is what forms the peanut. But it's a little bit unusual because most of the other plants that we know, it blossoms on the outside and it fruits on the outside. This one is different. It blossoms or blooms on the outside, but then this here goes back into the earth and forms the peanut under the earth. Alright? That's why there's nothing here now, because these are the flowers that's going to go back down to form the peanut, looking like this one here over here. Alright? So this is interesting. This is interesting. This is the flower again. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright? I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what you think about that. So guys, we're back at the house now where Miss Pat is drying the peanut on the canvas. This is what it looks like. So every morning, well actually not every morning, you just leave it here.
Let me cover it up.
You just cover it and okay. So you keep it in this canvas, this tough canvas here. And yes, and every morning you keep it for about 5 days. And after 5 days you take it up and bag it up, ready for the market. How long is this one here, you know, Miss Pat? Monday? So 3 days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's for 3 days now.
3 days now. Okay, so in another 2 days it's ready.
Right.
That's it, guys. That's it. Oh, that's when the dry start to rackle.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, nice. New learning. Alright, let's go back on the farm. You plant some corn here as well, Miss Pat?
These are actually in the garden. I don't know what they do.
You didn't plant them?
No, I didn't plant them.
They just grow like that?
In the garden before, you know.
I
didn't reap them.
Oh, it was just left here? Okay. Alright, do you know some people, there are people who have never seen a corn plant. They say they know the corn, but they have never seen a plant. For those who, and guys, I'm going to guess that it's not you, but trust me, I've learned a lot doing these things and learned to appreciate my knowledge, because a lot of people don't know what you assume they know. They don't know. For those who don't know, this is a corn. This is a corn. This is how it grows, right? You can have 2, 3, 4 corn on plant, right? So this is one. This is typically probably about 4 or 5 feet high, and this is the corn. All right. So that's a little extra bonus here for you. This one full. I'm going to break it and show you. This is again, she didn't plant these. These are just kind of just growing wild, but I just want to show you. That is. That's a plant. That's the corn. Alright, this is the corn. Alright? That's corn. Good. Alright, so this part is pulling some more. We're battling the breed. Oh, this one is oh, this is what? This is 2, 3. This one is huge. This one is a lot, man. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay. Alright, so I have some questions from Miss Pat based on her knowledge of peanut farm. Oh, by the way, Miss Pat, open one more. Open one of them. Let me see if I can't eat them, right? I can't eat now?
If you want to eat it.
Yeah, but you wouldn't recommend?
No.
It's not poison. It's not.
No, it's not poison or anything.
It just tastes funny.
You can eat if you want.
Crack it, man. Crack one for me. Let me eat it now. Somebody have it. Crack it. Alright. It looks good, man. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. It can't hurt.
You
It can't be that bad. Oh, by the way, guys, you notice the red on my hand?
green.
Yeah, the red on my hand. This is a red dirt area of Jamaica. The South St. Elizabeth side. In fact, I'm told that the backside people are coming here. What do you think about that? Honestly, I don't want them to come here. I don't want them to come here, but that's a different story. Anyway, so I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have this right now, and I'm gonna ask Miss Pat some questions about her own knowledge of the peanut. So, yeah, man, kind of. It tastes good, Miss Pat. What's that?
Milk.
Yeah, man. In fact, people can blend it. You can blend it still like that, too.
I would recommend the green one.
Oh,
yeah,
dry it first.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, in terms of storage, so you mentioned in terms of the drying, it takes about 5 days,
Yeah.
5-7 days to dry.
Typical when it's sun, it's hot like no.
Yeah, like no, you don't wash it, right?
No one.
You don't wash it. You don't need to.
No, I don't need.
Okay, okay. And then after it dry, you just bag it and sell it.
Yeah.
In terms of storage, how long can you store the peanut like that? The sun is coming out nice and beautiful, guys. So
Well, to be honest, once the peanut is dried properly, it can store up to maybe a year or 2 years.
a year or 2 years
Yeah.
from
Once
your
it's dried-
experience.
Yeah, once it's dried properly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You have to worry about insects. Don't take it over.
But if you like the spring peanut now,
Uh-huh.
you have to maybe, I don't know, you have to dust it with some insect powder or something. Because spring peanut insect normally,
What do you mean
It's-
spring peanut? Then?
like the one that we reaping now, we call it spring peanut.
Oh,
But the one you reap further down in the year, like November, December, that can keep 2-3 years.
oh,
And
okay,
insect don't trouble that.
okay, and it just stay there.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a market now, Miss Pat, for your peanut? Do you?
Presently now I don't have a market.
So how do you get rid of it now? When you sell it?
Oh, I'd have to maybe have the number for somebody that I know who buy peanuts. I could call a person if he wants any now, you know.
Oh, so that's how you do it?
Yeah, we don't have a market
Yeah.
per se.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you know anybody going to the market, you sell it to them.
If they want peanut, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So really and truly, and it's about an acre you have here. So
Yeah.
you would appreciate some
Yeah, I would.
some purchase, right?
Yeah,
Eventually,
right,
because you're gonna have
yeah.
how much pound do you think you're gonna get from this here? This what you have here now?
Oh, I'm not sure. When I get it, then I probably have an idea, you know. But no, just looking at the garden,
Yeah.
I can't really say how much.
Okay. Okay. But either way, you're gonna need. I'm gonna guess. That's my. I'm gonna guess. People. My former classmates usually say I'm very good at maths. I can't remember that. I know I was good at physics.
Okay.
They tell me I'm very good at maths. I used to help the rest of them. No, they told me that in primary and high school.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't remember. But I'm gonna guess that. Based on what you pull up here per root and based on the size of the property here, I'm gonna say probably about 500 pound, 400, 500 pound. Is that too much?
About 500 pounds. Say that.
Oh, man, that's not bad then, man. that's not
Not so
bad.
bad, but it could be more or less.
It could be more or less.
Yeah,
Okay,
more or
okay.
less, yeah.
All right, guys. So give me a thumbs up. I get a good guess. Yeah. But definitely, if persons are watching Miss Pat and maybe interested in if persons are watching and interested in getting some of your products, your peanut,
Okay.
how can they get in touch with you?
Oh, my number would be 895 0581.
8950581.
Yeah.
That's Jamaica. So it's 876.
876.
876.
Yeah.
Guys, we're battling the breeze here. Breeze is very heavy here. Very heavy here. But I think I'm guessing that you're hearing us clearly. So you got that. 876
895
uh-huh.
0581.
0581. Perfect. I may have asked you the question before. I think I asked you, but I'm gonna ask you again. What makes Jamaica special, Miss Pat?
Oh, Jamaica is such a beautiful place and the people are very friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that is what makes Jamaica special.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
And the warm sunshine, you know.
Yeah, we're not getting a whole lot now. It's in and out.
Yeah, it's in and out now.
Yeah, but
I
it's
mean,
a blessing.
yeah.
It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
Come
What
to the
about
sun,
what
yeah.
about the mangoes? Mangoes time
Oh, not quite. Maybe next month or so.
next month. All right. In the meantime, peanut.
Peanut, no.
Alright, peanut. One more question, Miss Pat. You have been doing this for how many years? I said about.
Can't remember.
You can't remember.
As far as I can remember.
As far as I can remember. So meaning from.
Maybe about 20 years.
Well, how long have you been farming?
Well, long time.
From. This is what you have done for the most part, most of your life.
Yeah.
Farming. Okay, so a long time, man.
A long time, then about 20 years, maybe 30 years.
That man a long time, because you're a big woman now. Your grandmother, no?
Yeah.
Okay, and Susan great grandmother.
No, but I'm trying great.
Okay.
Great.
Yes, good. But how long are you gonna continue to do this? Because you're solo now, and you really cannot do it by yourself.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Because it's hard to get labor now, so people to do work for you.
So you hire people
Yeah.
to come in and help you.
Mm.
Okay. Is there anything else that you think you'd need? I mean, a lot of people watching, and is there anything else you think you will probably need to help you in your farming? Because it sounds like this is what you have been doing all your life.
Yeah, but the cost of fertilizer now you can't hardly afford fertilizer anymore, you know. So
that's
kind of cut down on the farming.
Oh, that's why you have to.
Yeah.
So it discourage you from farming.
Not really discouraged, but I mean,
Demotivate.
you have to cut down on the amount that you used to put in the land here. You have to cut down on the amount.
So the cost really is an issue.
Yeah, it's an issue.
Okay, I'm hoping that somebody somewhere, ideally from the ministry, would reach out to you, especially a woman, and a widow like you who despite your loss, despite the challenges, continue to
give up.
never give up.
Continue,
Never give up. We're battling the breeze, but that's Miss Pat, guys. Miss Pat, the female farmer, the widow, who has certainly not given up. Continue to do what she loves. What do you make of her? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. People like her. I call it the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So, if not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you stay updated on all my latest videos. By the way, I have a treat for you. I want to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Mack, another farming couple in the hills of St. James. There's a link here on the screen. Click it, man. Watch it, and then let me know what you think. Alright? This is The Real Jamaica.